Let's introduce our another digital scale model, D8006. Face, back. USB charge. Use for manual. Protect cover. As this model is powered by USB charge and battery, so it can power on without battery. There are 4 buttons: on, off, tell, mode, peace. There are 7 United States available to choose. The protect cover also can use a tray, so it is very convenient to weight. Carry it. You can get the net weight. There another white color to choose. This model is powered by battery. So it is need put into battery to power on. Other function is same with black color.